Hello students, so in the previous class we discussed about the metals, properties of the metals, and in this class we are going to study about the non-metals and their properties, right? As we have discussed about the elements, they can be categorized as metals, non-metals and metalloids. So we have learned about the metals. Now we are going to learn about the physical properties of non-metals. So we have physical properties of non-metals. Now similar to like metals, we have the physical properties of non-metals. The first property says, हमने वहाँ पे बोला था metals are malleable. Here we say they are non-malleable. मतलब metals तो malleable थे जिनसे हम पतली पतली sheets बना सकते थे, लेकिन non-metals जो वो malleable नहीं होते उनसे हम पतली sheets नहीं बना सकते. We say they are non-ductile. हम नॉन मेटल्स की पतली पतली वायर्स भी नहीं बना सकते. दे आर नॉन डक्टाइल. रादर वी से दे हैव द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी विच सेज दे आर ब्रिटल. ब्रिटल विच सेज दे ब्रेक डाउन वेरी इजीली. अगर हम इसको किसी चीज़ से हिट करते हैं, ये ब्रिटल होते हैं जो बहुत जल्दी टूट जाते हैं. नॉट लाइक मेटल्स की बिल्कुल पतली पतली शीट्स बन जाएं, इनकी पतली सी वायर्स बन जाएं. नॉट लाइक दैट, बट कि दे आर ब्रिटल, so they break down very easily. Then they are non-sonorous. अब जो metals थे वो तो sonorous थे, sound create करते थे, बल्कि ये non-metals जो हमारे ये non-sonorous हैं, ये कोई sound नहीं create करते. Next हमारे पास आता है they are non-lustrous. हमारे पास metals जो थे वो shiny थे, बल्कि ये जो हमारे non-metals हैं they are not shiny, they don't shine. So we say they are non-lustrous. Then we said metals they conduct heat and electricity. Metals जो थे वो heat और electricity को conduct करते थे. Here we will say they do not conduct heat and electricity. Say they do not conduct heat and electricity. ठीक है, तो हमारे नॉन मेटल्स हैं वो हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को भी कंडक्ट नहीं करते. Then we have said that metals they are generally solids. Here we say non-metals can be solids, they can be liquids and they can be gases. ये हमारे solids भी हो सकते हैं, liquids भी हो सकते हैं और gases भी हो सकते हैं. So they can be in any form, they can be solids, they can be liquids, they can be gases. For example, अगर मैं solid की बात करूँ, we can find it out in the form of carbon, which is coke, coal, etc. नॉन मेटल की फॉर्म में हमारे पास ये सॉलिड की फॉर्म में हो सकता है कार्बन. लिक्विड वी हैव ब्रोमीन. सो ब्रोमीन इज ओनली वन लिक्विड विच इज अ नॉन मेटल एंड दैट्स अ लिक्विड स्टेट. देन इन गैसेस वी कैन हैव ऑक्सीजन, वी कैन हैव हाइड्रोजन, वी कैन हैव नाइट्रोजन. These all are the gases which are available to us and they all are non-metals. So we say the physical properties of non-metals, they are non-malleable, non-ductile, they are brittle, they are non-sonorous, non-lustrous, they do not conduct heat and electricity, they can be either solids, liquids or gases. And of course about the temperature and the pressure, we said that the metals they have a high boiling point and high melting point. So here they do not have high melting or high boiling points. So these are the physical properties of non-metals. Then we talk about metalloids. Now what are metalloids? हमारे पास metalloids क्या हैं? So we say the elements having the properties of both metals and non-metals. ऐसे element जिनकी properties metals plus non-metals जैसी हैं, उनको हम बोलते हैं metalloids. So they carry the properties of both metals as well as non-metals. For example, we have boron, we have silicon, we have germanium, etc. These are all the metalloids. ये हमारे metalloids हैं, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, etc. These are the metalloids. So I hope this is clear to all of you.